Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to bed and I'm gonna remove my everyday makeup with my favorite makeup removing balm. This is from CeraVe and not a lot of people know about this product, but I want to share how amazing this works to remove waterproof mascara, foundation. I'm not wearing much makeup right now, but I'm definitely wearing some mascara, so I'm gonna show you how it literally melts makeup off. So this is how it looks like. This is a new tub I got like 2 weeks ago, and I just grab about that much. And this is more than enough. So I'm gonna start rubbing this on my lashes, and you guys will see how it literally melts all the makeup off my lashes. It is truly, truly amazing. Like, what? Oh, and I just love how it's super, super moisturizing as well. It has all the CeraVe moisturizing and whatever, you know, all the benefits from CeraVe products. The ceramides, it's super not drying at all. So if you struggle with dry skin, this product is perfect for you. As you can see, I have no mascara on my eyes left. Well, melted off, but like, it melted all my mascara away. I look insane, but I swear by this makeup removing balm. So this is my face right after I washed my face with my CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. And as you can see, there's no mascara on my eyelashes. Makeup gone. And to top it all off, I like to use my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Just about half a pump is enough for my skin. Once you get this product, I swear you won't get your hands off of it. It's the perfect makeup removing item you will ever need in your like beauty bag or whatever. So definitely check this guy out.